Super-Sawz in 10 easy steps. Okay, so step 1, just apply a bit of saturation here, just to colour it a little bit, okay? Bit of excitement. And then I've gone down the octave, I'm picking the E flat. Step 2, let's turn the sub on. We're going to put this to 0 and lower this. It's really subby. Step 3, create an envelope and create a glide, but we're going to turn off BPM, these on, and then go matrix, so LFO1, and it's global master tune. Click this button here, just one arrow we want. So we're creating that sort of 808 effect, but then we're going to mess with the rate. And then a little bit of attack. Cool. Step 3, we're going to create a wub. So envelope again, turn off the BPM and put it on here in the cutoff. I'm doing Alt and Shift click and also apply that to the drive a little bit. Cool, and then you can slow down the rate, and we're trying to match the glide and the rate of the wub. That's a good one. Now we can drag that on with the button there and then turn warp off. Apply a bit of reverb. Let's jump back in. Do a bit of a faster one. Drag that one on, turn off warp. So these sort of count as my stabs. I'll just create 4 different ones, put a bit of unison on this one. Boost it a little bit. And we'll do one more, we mess with this. And just duplicate that across so you've got an AB with the snare. Got the sample pack, so links below if you want these samples, free samples. Cool, so let's try a kick pattern like this. Duplicate this first one, drive it a bit more with the saturator. Just gonna lo-fi this a little bit, so click here, got the mid side. Now on the mids, but on the sides. So that's quite too much, so we can reduce it. Because don't forget, when we're driving it, like the kick for example is quite subby in a way, so that's like a sine wave, like a smooth wave. The more we drive it, the more we're squaring it off, so we're losing the sub. So that's why I'm just reducing it here on the dry wet. On here, look. On the drum group, now when you're using the amp, you've got to sometimes reduce this gain here. The gate, sidechain, with the frequencies here. And then jumping into your kicks, just going to group them all, press warp, select this one, I'm going to shorten it. Turn it up a bit. And then what we can do also is tune them. Maybe we can tune these snares. And we're going to look at some more ways to, so let's try the 2-note trick. Remember, 2 next door notes is what 50% of this dubstep's made on. And then we're going to just loop this. We're going to change this now, we'll go basic shapes. Let's change this to this sort of different saw. Go get a sine wave, randoms down, and then FM from B. Turn the level down. octaves up. Let's try this filter, we'll go for comb. And then jump on here with. Let's get the reverb. Got the gate here, letting the kick cut through. Try a different octave maybe. Go up 7 semitones. And then we can also do this little saturator sandwich. You can boost it. And then you can also mess here. Sounding pretty cool. Let's have a listen. So if we double that up, and then the typical pattern now of these for the last section, because when we talk about energy pockets and the end of the phrase, we can go like this now. This is too predictable probably, so if we get rid of that, we've got down pitch. Cool, now we can duplicate that, and then you guessed it, this bit's too predictable now. So what I like to do is maybe just get rid of all of that, and we can add completely new bass. Put the MIDI notes in. With the pitch bend now, we're going to go like this. Envelope, quite long, 2 bars. Go to the matrix, so it's LFO1, global master tune, 1 direction there. And stick this on the sub. Let's go for 16s. Stick it on oscillator 1. But then we're going to go for sine wave. And then we're going to FM at 12 o'clock position. FM freak. Level down. Octave up. And then just stick this also on here. Just for that bit of resonance.